I've been throw up the sex in the
happy vlog. Hi guys, hi YouTube, how you all doing? How you amazing people? Wow, gosh, it's been a minute. It's been 2 weeks of me not uploading. 2 weeks of not even vlogging. I don't know what was happening, but you know what? I'm back. Yes, I'm back like I never left. And this is a new vlog for this week. So yeah, this week we'll be having a vlog. Yay! A vloggy vlog. And welcome all to my vlog. To my new subscribers, or if it's your first time seeing me, if it's your first time here, thank you so much for clicking to watch my vlog. I hope you'll enjoy it, and also hope you'll consider subscribing and joining the ride. To my returning subscribers, oh my god, thank you so much guys. I have mad love for you all, and you are a real one. Even for clicking to watch this week's vlog, you are a real one. Thank you for being here. So today is on a Tuesday, and as you can see, I'm dressed up for the beach. Yes, it's been cold here in Coast, kumekuwa na baridi. But today the weather is so good, and we just said, hey, let's not waste this day. Let's not waste it. So we are about to step outside. Tunaenda kwa beach, tunaenda kupunga upepo wa bahari. Kupunga upepo wa bahari. So yeah, let's go. I'll be bringing you guys along. And even tunaenda because schools were closed, you all know that. So my sister came back home, but we've not gotten a chance to take her to the beach. And today we're like, tumpeleke twendeni, so twendeni. And yeah, we are going to the beach. Bella, will you say hi?
Yeah.
Come say hi.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Hello.
Yes, this is Bilha Mnamjua. Now we have more vlogs up on Yeye. Go watch those ones too. Like, comment, and subscribe, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so off we go.
Yeah.
Mko ready?
Let's go.
Guys, see you on the other side. Mwah. Bye. Guys, we are here finally. Tumefika. Maji ni mingi. The water is it's a lot. Like the beach is so full. What? Oh my god, this is too much water. The waves. There is waves. Even people aren't swimming. Imagine. Oh my god. I can't believe we just wasted that. But yeah, we can just chill kidogo and then we'll go back. Oh, kuna watu. Ndio wale. Kuna watu. There are people actually. Hey, but guys, let me show you what I'm saying.
only been days, but it felt like months. Wake up for you, only know like once. Life move fast when you know what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you know what you want. What we want. My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. All in love with she's too down. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, get along, baby. In the meantime, it's not going well. So meantime, I'll be doing what you want.
Woo! Ni mingi. The water is too much. See? And the waves. What? Woo! Yay! Woo! Hey! this much. Like it is a lot. Guys! Oh no!
The next day.
Hi guys, how you all doing? Happy what? Happy Wednesday. Yes, like this is literally the flowing day from the beach day. You remember Jana? We went to the beach yesterday and I forgot to gist you all after we came back. I forgot kabisa. But we came back a bit early because it was windy. Like there's so much wave for beach. So after we didn't swim, it's so hard for one to swim. Like kuna upepo kabisa, and the maji, the water is a lot. Like inafika hadi kwa shores. Iko hadi on the shore of the beach. So hadi hakuna place ya kukaa nini, you can't play games, all that. So we just went kidogo kidogo, took some pictures, had some fun, tukarudi. But yeah, we went, it was amazing. And today's the next day. Today's on Wednesday. How you all doing? Welcome back to this vlog. Yay! I'm so excited to be here today and to be doing this. So, what's that? Okay. So today I want to make cassava crepes. As you can see, I'm in the kitchen. That's why this pot is here. So do you come Nayona? But yeah, I'm at the kitchen. I want to make cassava crepes. Oh my god! I'm also having a bad hair week. Like I don't know when to undo it, but my hair is so bad right now. Alafu now cause the beach was ilikuwa na maji mingi and we couldn't reach the far end, so we tuko tunakaa huko mbele mbele. Alafu the water sasa huko mbele iko na mchanga mingi cause mind you the shore sinakuwa na mchanga mob. Alafu sasa maji inakuja tu imeibeba hivyo vyote. I know you understand. So ukiingia tu hivi unapata mchanga immediately. And you all know beach sand can go to wherever part of the body, when jolly like So came back to nakatu mchanga, we showered, yeah. But now my hair is due for an appointment, so I'll just undo it in the course of the week and get it done. But for now we'll work with it as it is. So I don't know, I have done a cassava recipe before in a previous video. Scroll down and go watch that vlog. So I don't think I'll give much details, but yeah, I'll take you guys along as I. So guys, it's all ready. Here's our cassava. I have nimeitongozi. I've unpeeled. peeled it na nikaiosha. You see, it's clean. It's just small. We won't be having it much because we still have some cassavas from breakfast. These ones were boiled and then tuka deep fry kwa mafuta. Oh my god, guys, you can see for yourself. You can see. It looks so sweet, right? And one thing is for sure, cassava ya Mombasa, it's so yummy, trust me. Like, I have had cassava in Nairobi and I didn't love them. I didn't love cassava back in Nairobi. But since I came here, cassava ya Mombasa ni tamu. Those women wakiuza, they usually say, cassava wa maziwa, for real. Cassava wa maziwa, see how white that is? You know, most cassavas hukua ngumu, hukua kali, but huku, gosh, sio kali, so sweet and fresh. So these are leftovers from, we had them for breakfast. Yeah, we can still keep them and snack on them, sakumi. Yeah, so it creeps me just for fun. So we'll just make one. It's already peeled and washed. I want to slice them into small round shapes, ndio we deep fry them. Oh, this one, they're so sweet. This one's clucky. So come along.
I seen another raindrop trickle on all the leaves. I felt a little pain, but I felt a lot of joy. So I know to see and to breathe and to feel only means one thing. So I still believe, cause I know I got life, so I can't fight. And I know, say I realize, and I hope of a good time, hope of a good time. Cause it's a choice, so yeah, I know it. To see the world and not behold it. I know, yes, I know that. Let's with another chance, let's with another chance, let's with another chance, let's with another chance.
Guys, I'm back. Yes, they're done. So this is how they look like. But Ebu, tell me, what's the difference between these atini crepes we've made and these for breakfast? Like, there's no difference. We just wanted to spoil nini mafuta cause alafu hizi zingine zime overcook. I don't know why. I think the heat was too much at some point. Zingine zime overcook, but they are okay. But I think this one are much healthier than these, because these ones are even boiled first before deep fried. These ones have just deep fried them. Wow, the crunchiness is the sweetness. But yeah, this is what we'll be having with my siblings. Just an afternoon snack and it's almost 1, and we want to bake a cake. I don't know if that will be possible, but yeah, this is what I've made. These are the outcome. This thing is so yummy, so yummy, so yummy. So bye, see you when I next pick up my camera.
A few moments later.
We are baking. Yes, I told you we can bake before the end. So this is our dough. Yes, this is our mixture. Nikidogo, we are not making a big cake, just a small cake, but this one has strawberry essence. Which one? Let me take it. For this, we've used this to give it the red color. Ni essence, you can use any essence of your choice. Alafu this one is just pure. So yeah, this will just be used to decorate the cake. And yes, we are baking. Aki, I hope everything goes well, because sisi, we've tried so many caking ninis niwas na bounce. I don't know, but today I am so sure of this one will work out. So yeah, I'll show you guys the results. I don't have much to record. I'll show you guys the results. So keep it here, guys. Guys, the cake is here. See that? See that? Check it too. Hey. It's so cute and hey, of course it's yummy. See the red nini? The red part, alafu. But let's slice it and see how the inside looks like. Is it zimetoka? Okay. Kateni. Oh my god, ukinje imeiva sana guys. Oops. Nengomo. Gosh, peeps. Okay. Imenini chini ili overcook. Yeah. Okay, but